90% of the stress we feel come from things that won't even matter a week from now. Someone cuts you off in traffic. It takes 2 seconds, but your mood? Ruined for the entire day. Why? Because the situation was small, but we made it big in our minds. We replay the moment over and over. We create imaginary arguments. We think, I should have said something. I should have taught them a lesson. And slowly, a tiny incident steals our peace. Here's the truth. Most of life is made up of small stuff. Waiting in line, dealing with rude behavior, receiving unfair criticism, doing more than your share of the work. It happens every single day. The problem isn't that it happens. The problem is that we take it personally. Imagine this instead. Someone cuts you off, and you simply let them go. Maybe they're late for something important. Maybe they're already overwhelmed. Maybe they're just having a bad day. Or maybe you just decide, my peace matters more. Feels lighter, doesn't it? Not every reaction is necessary. Not every battle needs to be fought. Not every point needs to be proven. When you stop reacting to small things, you protect your energy. And that energy, you can use it to be kinder, more patient, more focused on your goals. So many people spend their entire lives sweating the small stuff, and then they wonder why they never feel at peace. Peace isn't something you find. Peace is something you choose. So today, make a decision. I will let small things stay small. I will not take everything personally. I will not give every situation the power to control my mood. Because in the end, calmness is a habit, and reaction is a choice. And when you start choosing calm, life begins to feel lighter, simpler, and far more beautiful.